Everyone product teams at Google are coming up with new updates. Here are few new updates on the free version of this product, which I have tested. So let's start the video. In this update, we will see how Google has enhanced capability of NotebookLM. You have to give text to the notebook and it will generate beautiful cinematic video. Let's experience this from an example. So I have a story here. I will just paste it here and press insert. So here the story has been taken as a source. Now what I will do is I will ask it to generate a video overview. It will take some time. I will select one visual style. I will select this one and I will press on generate. So after a few minutes, the NotebookLM has generated the video. Let's see. The result is here. I will just click on this and let it open. I will increase the size and I will just play this video.
Welcome back to another explainer. Today we're unpacking a story that gets right to the core of what.
So I hope so you have understood how to use the video enhancement feature of this NotebookLM. This can be very helpful in storytelling or introductory kind of presentation. So please use it. Our next feature is from Google Gemini. So what we have to do here, just click on this plus button, go to more tools and create music. So if we click here, we'll get several templates of creating music. So I will be using birthday rose template. So what I will do is I will select on this, then I will describe my friend. I have written a prompt for him. So this is my friend. I have described and I will just click on this submit button. So what it will do, it will create a music for me, roasting my friend Rahul Khanna. We will wait for some time. I'll pause the video. So it took some time and it has generated me a music of 30 seconds for roasting my friend. So let's listen to the music.
There, main character. Rahul, you walk.
So in this way, we can generate music and it's a very high quality music. So you can just try. The next update is from Google Vids, wherein it helps us in giving voice to presentation and also support in creating avatar for the presentation. Let's see how we can do this one. So I have gone to Google Vids and I will click on convert slides. So here is my slide. So I will just select on this one. So Google Bits has converted my slides into a voiceover. If I click on this play button, it will play my video.
Welcome to the AI Anatomy, Foundations of AI. This video is a visual body. First,
So this is how we can give a voiceover to the presentation. We can also give an avatar to the presentation. What I will do is I will select on this avatar and I will just select one avatar. I will select this James thing. I will click on this select button. You have to click on this preview button and it is creating my avatar.
M uses
So as
billions
you
of.
can see that it is creating avatar for this slide. I will just pause the video and once it is done, I will just continue with the video. So the Google Vids has created the avatar for me. Now what I have to do is I have to adjust this avatar properly on my slide so that it looks realistic. I will just place it here. Yeah, it looks nice. So what I have to do now is I have to just go to this play button. Here.
Model, or LLM, is the brain. Just like your brain uses billions of neurons, an LLM uses billions of artificial nodes to recognize patterns, an analogy being a child who can predict the
So in this way, we can create our digital avatar. The next update is from Google Sheets, where it helps in creating various business dashboards. Here are the few examples. We can click on this view all suggestions and it will give all the suggestions. I will just, so for my this example, what I have done is I have given this template which I want to be created. I will just give this prompt and click on this submit button and it will create my um, template. So by the time it is creating tablet, I'll just pause the video and once it is done, I will just come back. So it has done some thinking process and it is asking me to approve the structure. So I will just click on this approve button and it will start creating the template. So it took a couple of minutes and it has created my cash flow statement. If you see here, interesting thing is it has also created the formulas. So like this, you can create your own templates. I hope so you have liked the videos. So please do subscribe the channel and comment on the video.